check it, we're diving in this scene. Key, automate the game, keep your comments clean. Me, Facebook ads, got the filters on lock. ChatGPT is the key, we're about to rock. New comment drops, we check if it's spam. If it is, it's gone, like it's part of a scam. But if it's real, we reply in style. Save the data to sheets, yeah, we're going the extra mile. Filter, reply, save it to the sheets. Automate the workflow, feel the beat. Need Facebook ads, keep them spam free. Pabbly connect to ChatGPT is the key. Running ads on Facebook, getting comments fast. Need to sort the good from the bad, make it laugh. Using Pabbly Connect, the integration's highlight. Trigger when it happens, do it day and night. Connect your Facebook, get the page linked up. A minute access needed, no need to bluff. Post a comment, get it processed quick, slick. Map it to the flow, automation slick. Trick, filter, reply, save it to the sheets. Automate the workflow, feel the beat. Need Facebook ads, keep them spam free. Pabbly connect to ChatGPT is the key. And detected, delete it right away. Genuine comments, got replies to say. Details in the sheets, keeping track of it all. Call this automation flow, it's the future, y'all. Stall, writer steps in, branches out the way. Genuine or spam, we know what to say. Display, additionally run, keep the workflow clean. This automation process is a digital dream. AI connected, prompts all set. Bet ChatGPT answers, no need to fret. Create your free account, start to integrate. Lay Pabbly connect and ChatGPT, we dominate. Space, filter, reply, save it to the sheets. Automate the workflow, feel the beat. Need Facebook ads, keep them spam free. Pabbly connect to ChatGPT, so we keep running ads, wanna keep it tight. Right, automate with us, do it day and night. Right, filter, reply, save it to the sheets. ChatGPT, Pabbly connect, the